In this video, we'll introduce you to Cleverific Order Editor's newest feature, Customer Portal, and show you how it works. We built Customer Portal to give your customers self-serve tools so they can receive exactly the right order without ever needing to contact your support team. When customers can solve their own problems by updating their shipping address, changing quantities, changing variants, or even canceling their order before it has been shipped, you can reduce the cost of returns and exchanges, eliminating waiting for support, and making happy repeat buyers. Here's how it works. Customer Portal is integrated with your Shopify store's order status page. This page is presented to the customer after they place their order and can also be reached through the View Order button in their order confirmation email. Our app adds the Change Order section to the order status page. This lets your customer know that they can edit their order and what time frame they have left to make changes. The time frame to make changes is fully configurable depending on what works best for your operation. The editing process is integrated with your Shopify checkout and allows customers to update their shipping address, change the quantities of an item, change the color, size, or variant of an item, or remove an item altogether. And finally, customers can cancel their order and write in an optional cancel reason for your records. Thank you for joining me on this quick intro of Customer Portal. You can check out our help docs for more information. For free setup and training, email us at support@editorder.net.